So as promised, I said I would go over Unit A, or the Makeup Quiz A and Makeup Quiz B. All right, this one is a 4-digit code, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's a 5-digit code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one says one letter, upper and lowercase, 52. So that's a letter, number, number, number. This is 2 letters. So letter, letter, number, number, number. And it says in both of them, no repeating, no repeating. So this would be 10, 9, 8, dot, dot, dot. And this would be 52, 51, 10, 9, 8. Yes, this one has one more digit, but the concept is the same. Okay, multiply those numbers, see what you get. Probability of picking a red card. Probability of picking a face card. Half the deck are red. Face cards, there are 12. And then a 4. And then a 2. There's 4 4s. There's 4 2s. And in both cases, it's replaced. So you multiply that, dot, 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 get an answer. Now, these both had 4 from 7. Wait, this was 4 from 7, and this was 5 from 8. But this one, it's arranging on a wall, so it's permutation. And this would be 7, 4, 7 factorial, 7 minus 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 7, 6, 5, 4. This is 5. This is 8C5, 8 factorial, 8 minus 5 factorial, 5 factorial. This would be 876 over 3 times 2. Okay. And by the way, I will put a PDF of Form A and Form B in Google Classroom so that you can zoom in and see the questions. Okay, vowel and vowel from Serendipitous, which I think I spelled wrong. Okay, so I think there were 7 vowels out of 14 letters, 1/2. I think there were 6 vowels out of 10, which is 3/5. Between this one, this is flipping 5 coins, 3, 4, 5. This is flipping 6 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, sorry. Either way, there's 2 options, 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 2 options. So this has a total of 32 options, and this has a total of 64. It's just a multiplier of 2. This is tails appears 1 time. So tails, heads, 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 heads. What is it? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could be second, it could be third, it could be fourth, it could be fifth. That's 5 out of 32. This one appears heads, so it could be the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. And 6 out of 64 is 3 out of 32. Okay, that's it. Go to Google Classroom for the PDFs.